Hi, welcome to the channel. Got us a lamp to start off. Maybe this can grow into something bigger. Is it the brass variety? Let's take a gander at her. I don't know. Maybe. I don't really need the light bulb neither. Oh, it's broke right there. Oh, I see. I see. See if it's the brass variety one. I don't think it is. It's got some rust going on the bottom here, but you never know. Any rate, if this is your first time here, welcome. What we try to do is find some scrap metal, have a little bit of fun, and find some cool stuff. The normal, pitch stuff on a is that unscrewed? Yeah, on a scrap channel. Try to fill this thing up every time we go out. Back there is where the non-ferrous stuff goes. There's some stuff kind of lingering back there right now, but yeah, no, it'll find a home at some point. So stay tuned. We do have a chance of rain, so hopefully we won't get rained out. If we do, then we do. What I mean is, like, it needs to be pouring for me to get rained out, like, risking damaging the GoPro type situation. But stay tuned. Let's get out here and have a little bit of fun. Don't worry, guys, we got a fan. Dishing. This thing's just been beating and banging and moving and doing its own thing back here. Hey, we're fine with that. Okay. I just got a whiff of the fan, y'all. Fans can stink. Yep. Sure can. In the bin. Found that a few videos back. I like the idea of having a wire bin type thing. This stuff adds up, yeah. Oh. This might actually be a little harder than I was anticipating. Bendy, bendy. Some long stuff. Some actually really decent heavy stuff too. No pinch fingers. Two more pieces like that, huh? Yeah, I'm on. I don't know what it was used for. I don't know. It's going to the scrapyard now, though. On the side of the interstate? So those pieces came off the side of the road. They were in the middle of the road, and the man that I just talked to, they fell off somebody's vehicle. Probably 12-foot pieces of, I don't know what, 1/8 inch probably steel. I mean, they got weight to them, but that's where he said he found them, on the side of the road. So just give you an update. Got us a grill. Those decided that they did not want to be where I put them. Take a look at her. It's a Dynaglow. Feels kind of light. Let's get it on there somehow, around that stuff. Might just have to put it on the back and pick it up over. Ooh, what does that do, Hickey? That's kind of nice. Dorman products. That's not very nice. Okay, nothing wrong with Dorman products. They're just not my cup of tea. Come on, Mr. Dynaglow. You know something? I want it back there. So we're gonna put it back there. Pick it up. Get out of the way. Put it down. I just don't know how much control we will have over these pieces of metal. They're not exactly thin pieces, and they're long and awkward, and be fine. Girl may take a nap. If it does, we'll wake it back up. Feels like it's gonna rain. I hope not. We're back out again. It didn't fall asleep yet. It's another jack. This one busted. This one may be busted. Yeah, she seized up. She seized up. Little hunk. Fire. Know we got some cordage here. It's got an end and it does not have a second end. Okay, well, that I was thinking about keeping it around the house. These little light duty cords, kind of, you know, little projects and stuff, but somebody's already made the easy decision for me. I went ahead and called my buddy that has the weld shop about the steel there. I figured it'd be something that he would want, and he said no, so I was just gonna give it to him. It ain't that big of a deal, right? He helps me with the trailer anytime I have any problems, so well, take the cord. Cordage is always good. I don't think we have a deep freeze in here, but I seen metal, so anything else? Some little nuggets, little pieces. That did not sound like metal, did it? Metal check. Okay, we're good. Door just closed. We got another fan though. Anything else good? We like fans for real. No. And the bin. Awesome. We're at the truck again. I'm putting on my half gloves. I mean, they're about done. They're about shot, y'all. I did see the chair. I wasn't sure if there's anything else here, so I put my gloves on to kind of protect me. Two chairs? Two chairs. I guess that's about all there is, isn't it? There's some project wood, if you will. Well, there's a cable to something. Well, look at that. What are you? Nothing. Okay, well, I mean, yeah, it's another cord. Now we got a microwave. I'm more intrigued about this doohickey. Oh, it's not in great shape. Never mind. What else we got in the boxes? Nothing. Nothing. Any good stuff? Nothing. Fold it up. Anything down there? Ooh, some beans. Nope, nothing. Take her good stuff, the microwave. Hello. Won't need you where you're going. Still gotta get the cord off of it. Somebody still might get that though. Cutters. Come here. And mine. What? Got microwave. I know the bumper's not metal, but to my knowledge, hoods are metal, right? Or did they change that? Yeah, no, okay. We found us a hood. I want to keep my fire logos outwards. That was, you know. Just grab it and go. Push you off. There's some little brackets in there too. That's probably metal. Okay. It's got a little weight. I know they make like carbon fiber hoods and stuff like that, but to my knowledge, like most of them are metal. So bracketry? No. Thought about it, tempered it, didn't do it. And ta-da, don't know. All right, well, you're right there until it decides to fall. Guys, an umbrella may need it if it rains, actually, now I think about it. You know, just walk around with this, you know. What I actually may do is I may move the hood up here. I don't want this moving around a lot, y'all. Something like that. Push the grill up to it, give it some cosmetic character, and I'm gonna go and strap it down. It's gonna make like an air brake, but it's fine. Yeah, we've been, like I said, kind of going into some neighborhoods where 10, 15 miles per hour, just cruising. About to go on the main road, so I don't need this catching wind and causing more problems than it should. Safety. Dog saying hello to us. We're saying hello to a trying to do a video. An ironing board. The hood road fine, as y'all can see. It's still there, which is like ideal situation. Yeah, it's not going nowhere. You know, flat things like to catch air and float when they should. A lamp. Oh, this thing's it's already in pieces, y'all. Sorry, I've been singing in my head like all day. I got mud on me. Are you gonna cooperate? Please? Thank you? Maybe? No? What? And see why you got thrown out. You just don't like to cooperate with no one. You know, there's always solutions to problems. You just got to figure out the right solution for the problem. And that's to get rid of the problem. I get in there. Chop, 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 chop. Chop one. And chop two. See, now you won't come out, huh? And so this one's broke. Yeah. I'm not gonna be able to get it to it from here. No, I'm gonna have to unscrew this doohickey to get to that doohickey, to cut this doohickey, to pull that doohickey. Which still seems to not want to play right. I bet you the junction right there is gonna get me, aren't you? Another fix to the problem. Took way too long to cut a cord. What we got there? Yeah, we take chairs. Even the ones that are like no longer chairs. Stay. Dishwasher time. Let's take a look, see if it's not full of junk. Oh no, we're good. I got some little ends to cut off too for some brass. Ola. Come on. Up. Look at that hunk of brass. That's a nice little chunk too. Like it. And then cut that, snip that. Clean. Christmas trees for sure. Pretty sure. Hadn't looked at them yet. Oh yeah, no, these are good ones. Another addition to the trailer. Throw them far. Dogs just mad at me again. Yeah, it seems to be a common trend for the dogs just to be mad at us. Those knee pads. What have we got in the bag? Just the helmet. Nothing in there. Start moving things over this way. Take the wire mesh. Huh, that's good. A little more compact, a little more easy to grab for the trash man. Ta-da. I know we got a tree. We got a power cord right there. I don't know what's in the bag. Won't know what's in there. Got a fan, bed frame, and I don't know what all we can take of that. We got some stuff to look at right now. So let's start looking. Move some stuff aside. Guess I should turn the truck off. That would have been a smart play, you know. It's metal. I think this is all gonna be like one piece type stuff here. There's a computer thing too. Try to break it, I guess. Try to take what we can without destroying everything. Somebody already took the computer, I guess. Take it off. It's kind of cooked. These can go. Just kind of making our way. Start getting some stuff put back. Like we've never been here type situation. There's the front of the computer. All right. Take the cord, we'll look at the bag. Y'all tell me on the bag. This piece to the fan. It's an old book. No, it's not. You see the bugs? Good little stop. Well, we're gonna call that good enough. Had a really didn't have any more neighborhoods or roads to go down. We do have some numbers to talk about. I did go to the scrapyard. I left my GoPro. It is what it is. So we'll go over some numbers. This was the low today. I think the finder today was the hood. It's cool. It's different. I like unique things. The wire bend didn't do too shabby. But all in all, good day. The rain held out, had fun. I noticed that y'all were dirty as far as smudged on the camera. I don't know how that's gonna look. I hope it turns out fine though. If it don't, I'm sorry. It's actually a good video. Had fun. A little bit of weight. I got a little bit of cleanup here and there. Nothing too serious. But we're gonna go over some numbers from the scrapyard run earlier today. So had a grand total of $113.50. Now that load was a mixture of a few other videos and the cord bend. So we had right at 820 pounds for $65.60. Current is 8 cents a pound still. I did get rid of the 2 batteries in the back. Like I said before, I don't keep batteries. 10 cents a pound. The number 2 insulated wire was 50 cents a pound. We had 89 pounds of wire. $44.50 on that. Wasn't too bad of a payout. Kind of surprised on the insulated number 2. I'd like to know what y'all's others. I did call around after I took the wire. I did call around. 1 yard is doing the separation method, which is like 40, 50, 60% by volume copper wire. It's like the best way I can explain it is like this stuff would be considered roughly would be considered like 40%. Your lamp wires like these would be considered like your 60 percentiles. It all has to do with like the content of it. Just whatever. I don't know if we really want to go there. I like the 1 rate for it all. But I do hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, consider like, sharing, and subscribing. See you on the next one. Had a little bit of fun. Yeah. Rain held out. Good day.